Today I show you an unboxing of the Victorinox Ranger, model number 1.3763. It comes in this nice Victorinox box. This is the barcode. Nice, I would keep the box actually. This is my Victorinox Tinker. It came in a blister pack, so nothing special there, but this one looks fancy with this box. So made in Switzerland by Victorinox. Okay, the Ranger Red. Let's see how it looks like. First time I open this. There is some kind of a code there. Oh, interesting. So if I would open it from the other side, there would be the pack, or no? Oh wow, it's so solid. Wow, it's nothing like my junky. The corkscrew is very screw is really solid on it. Okay. There's some paperwork. Let's see what the paperwork says. It's interesting to read these things, to learn how to use it. Small leaflet, a list of tools. There's a bottle opener with screwdriver and wire stripper. Bottle opener with screwdriver and wire stripper. These are the instructions on how to use it, and I would like to try this actually, to move it forward like this. This is how you use the can opener. You insert it and push it forward. You might have to wiggle it up and down, but you might not need to at all. It might just go through as the instructions say. This is the instruction here. And if you need to oil it, these are the oiling points. The points for oil here and here, right? Yeah. So it's here, and where is the ring? And here in the middle point. Oh, this is really amazing. It looks really interesting. A lot of interesting tools here. It's the Cellidor cups. There's some kind of a line here. I don't know what's this. Don't know why it has this line. It looks like some kind of a defect. Don't know if you can see it, but it's a bit like maybe it's just dirt. I don't know, looks like someone tried to lift this and they couldn't. And here also like imperfections. See them imperfections there. Interesting. You get this on your Swiss Army knives, imperfections like that. I can't imagine this wouldn't be real. Maybe it's just oil. Looks like some of them are getting washed off. Okay. I think I just have to clean them a little bit. Looks like some kind of metal deposits or something. Let's smell it. Smells like metal and oil. Metallic oil. Machine. They're oily. It's a bit oily, yeah. So it's from the sides, from here. There is a bit of residue. A bit of metal residue. So it was sitting in the box and it got a bit scratched inside the box. Okay. If the blade is stuck, you oil it. Basically, that's what it says. Do not overlook the tweezers and toothpick. What does that mean? Like, don't forget. Damage not covered by misuse, wear and tear. Normal wear and tear, misuse or abuse are not covered by the guarantee, only covered by the defects from the factory. I guess this is a defect from the factory, this shape on the scales. I don't know. My tinker didn't look like that, but it looks worse now. Okay, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, it really looks like some kind of embedded metal shavings in the scales themselves, which is interesting. But it might really just wear off. I think this one is getting lost a bit. No. It's really there to stay. But I wouldn't return it, I think. Hope it's original. Okay. Let's see the tools. First tool, the famous ring and the eyelet here, then corkscrew, really solid corkscrew. I think the metal shavings around here. It's the oil also. There is oil from them. Oh, careful with the... Okay, the corkscrew. And let's start with the good side. There are no fingerprints on it. No fingerprints. It says here Victorinox Swiss made. It says there Victorinox Swiss made stainless, and on the other side Officer Swiss. A really sharp blade. Actually, there was another one here. There is the small blade. Yeah, it's a bit oily. It's from the machining, the oil. It's interesting, this scale, really the quality control, not so great on this one. Okay. Okay, I close them to keep safe. And wow, whoa, metal file. This is really, feels really solid. There is the file and saw actually. There is a metal saw and you can use this as a pick or a screwdriver. Interesting. Victorinox Ranger metal saw and file, really solid, and really you have like pretty good distance working here. Okay, this is the first time I saw the metal saw, and the first time I tried the scissors. Okay, I'm not a big fan of scissors on pocket knives. Oh wow, it's really, will it cut toilet paper? Yeah, actually it's pretty good. Really convenient, this action, how it works. Yeah, okay. These tweezers take a lot of space from the tool set. I have to be careful when I put it back. Fold it a little bit. Okay, so what we have here, cup lifter, wire stripper, and a flathead screwdriver. Pretty solid tool. I had it on the other one also. It's standard, and the can opener and the screwdriver here also. Could use this as a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver. That's that side. So you saw the corkscrew, and there's a nice chisel, sharp and oily, really full of oil. It's good that it's oily, so it's really protected. There is the chisel. And some other kind of screwdriver tool. I'm not sure this one. I think it's a small flathead screwdriver. You write in the comments below what tool is this, how it's called, because what it is, it doesn't really matter. And what's this? Oh, it's the famous parcel hook. The famous parcel hook. It's good at the same time, but so-so. Before I even continue, there is something I want to take and move to that one. We have here a little magnet. I have two magnets on this. I have two magnets on the existing Swiss Army knife, and first thing to do with the parcel hook, throw in a magnet in there. Perfect fit. So if you're wondering where I got the magnet from, check the links in the description or ask me in the comments. I will share the link if I didn't share it already. That's the magnet. It goes in the parcel hook. Perfect fit. Already customized. Oh, and the owl. I use the owl in the Victorinox Thinker. I will use it more on that one. I will keep this one sharp for some situations. So yeah, this is Victorinox Ranger. The paperwork and the box and everything. If you like this video, subscribe for more. Let me know which Victorinox knives you use and why. Also, this channel is not only about Victorinox knives, it's about any kind of tool, so which tools you like more and why. It's interesting how it got scratched in the box here. A little bit. And here. I think it's wearing off this side. Maybe I'm really just overreacting. Yeah, it seems to get cleaner, but still. Thanks for watching. Oh, 20 minutes. Wow. I'm keeping the box and I'll keep the paperwork inside also. This is going to be my, compared to, this is from Lidl, but the Victorinox feels a bit more solid, but not by much. It's pretty good too, but let's compare the scissors. This is the scissors from the Lidl knife, and the scissors from the Victorinox knife. Yeah, the Victorinox ones are bigger and they also seem to open wider. Yeah, this is better. Okay. Forgot to tell you about the most useful things, and the toothpick. You can use the toothpick to clean your phone USB charging port. Very useful for that. There wouldn't be any shorts because it's plastic, and you can use it for a lot of things. I made a video about it. There are so many uses, and still you will find new uses every day for the toothpick. And the tweezers. Tweezers can be really good for if you eat those cactus fruits, prickly pears. You will use the tweezers a lot to pull the needles from the cactus fruits, paputsosica or igopigo in some places, or prickly pear in some other places, or just pull splinters out of your fingers. Yeah, this is the knife. This is pretty good. Thanks for watching. really smells like machine oil. Yeah, smells pretty good actually. Machine and oil. I think so far my favorite tool on this. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you one tool here. Other than the metal file, there is also the saw. There is also the saw, wood saw. This is really, I have a big one for the garden stuff, but this is actually the same style. Okay, not exactly the same, but if you need to cut some tree branch really quickly, I think this is going to do a really good job. Not for many, and it feels really sharp actually. Really sharp saw for wood or plastic. You can cut plastics with this. Yeah. I think that's all. The Ranger, Victorinox Ranger. Compared to my Tinker, the scales are the same. The tools are the same here, but it's more layers. This Tinker is only 2 layers, and the Ranger is 5 layers. 2, 4, 6. It's 2, 4, 5 layers. Tinker is much lighter, but the Ranger is more useful. Okay.